What's up, guys? It's another beautiful day in the village, and our vlog starts here in our farm. And as you can see, today we are actually weeding our banana plant. This is actually our banana plants. You can show them heading the other side. Yeah, there are a lot. So today we are here. I'm trying to weed our bananas, and after weeding, I'm going to apply what we call the organic manure, which is on the other side. Yeah, you can even take them closer. They can see that. So I'm going to remove these grasses over here. So guys, these are we weed our bananas here in the village. We not only weed, but after weeding, we're also going to apply what we call the organic manure, as you have just seen. Bring the camera closer. I want to show them something here. Over here, you can see this is like a small banana plant coming up. This is like I can call it a seedling. This one is actually coming up. You see. Now, a few months from now, we'll be enjoying these ones here. But you can see these ones are young also. Show them. These ones are actually young, and they are still growing. Like this one here. There is another one here. That one has already produced some fruits over there. Oh, and listen to the sound of birds. Guys, we are in the village. Wow. I don't know where the bird is. Why have you stopped singing? Somewhere have the trees. We have some beautiful birds. Okay. So guys, this is how we do it. We do weeding around the banana plant. You don't go deep inside there because you might uproot some seedlings or some young banana plants which are coming up. Yeah. So this is the area that we're going to apply the manure around here. Yeah. Around here. This is where we're going to apply the manure. Yeah. Guys, this is now real village life here in Kenya, and these are basically our kitchen garden here in the village, and these are some of the activities that we usually do here in our farm, especially in the morning, because now it's around 10 a.m. in the morning. That is local time. East African time. Yeah. You also have to remove the weeds like this. Come closer, you see, you have some weeds here. You just have to remove them. The leaves of plants and trees. Yeah. You see, like here, you have a young banana plant growing, so I'm going to apply the organic manure there. Yeah. Remove all the weeds to ensure that there are no weeds which are going to compete with our crops here in the farm. You can see we also do intercropping over here. You can see we have like some maize. Weeding has already been done, and they are growing actually. Even there are some over there which have like flowered. Flowering is now taking place. And very soon, a few months from now, we are going to enjoy roasted corn as well as some bananas. I don't know if we have some bananas here. Yeah, this plant also has got banana fruit over there. You can see. That's how it looks like. Those ones are kind of short. We have different species in our farm. There's others which are very big and others which are very small. Yeah. Even here, there's another one. Oh, there's a small banana, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Please take your time and grow. Yes. Also need to remove these grasses here. We're going to apply. There's another one here. And you know, guys, one funny thing about bananas, you can grow them like this, like one like this, and then it takes 3 years and you find it like it has covered the entire area. Yeah, they keep on sprouting all over. Now I need to move to another banana plant, but first I need to apply some soil also. Yeah. Wow. So guys, I think I'm done with this, and I want to go here. I see we have some stalks here. Throw them somewhere else. So guys, we still continue. You can see we have a lot of young banana plants coming up, and I think I need to be extra careful so that I don't uproot even a single one, guys. Even a single one. Oh, look at that. We have like a kind of butterfly. It has gone away. Yeah. Very tiny butterfly. It was maybe hiding somewhere here. We also have some sugar cane. This one here. There's another one there. There are several. Guys, there's some banana leaves here also. A young banana plant coming up over here. I need to remove this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It is just hiding there. For me, I want to apply some organic manure today. And here there are more of corn stalks. I'm just going to leave them here so that they can decompose. You can see they are actually, come closer. You can see they are over here, they are decomposing. And that is going to serve as organic manure also. Yeah. So the reason as to why we are digging first before we apply the organic manure is that we are trying to reduce the weeds, like the grass that is growing around the banana plants, and then we apply now the organic manure. Yeah. Wow. Just going to leave them here. Please stay there. I'm going to leave them there so that they can serve as manure. Guys, I'm done. So come, let's go to this other side. Here. So I'm done with this one also. You can see that's what it looks like. Wow. It's a real village life, guys. In rural Kenya. So I'm remaining with this one, like 3 of them. There's one here, there's another one, and then there's another one. You can see we are inside a maize farm. And you can see they have already flowered. Like this one here. Oh. And if you can come closer, you can show them. It's now in the process of making some food. You see? Yeah, this is now, I think pollination is taking place. Wow, you can see here we have a lot of bush. I don't know even where to begin. But you see, here we have like a hole. So here what I'm just going to do is to remove the weeds. Yeah. These weeds, even like maize stalks, they can dry there and rot and add some manure to the soil. Yeah. So guys, you see, those are the weeds we are trying to avoid. Guys, over here I wanted to show you a vegetable. This is a very, very nutritious vegetable here in the village. It's like a local vegetable or indigenous. I don't know how you guys can put this. It's called black nightshade, and it's very, very nutritious. And you can see this how it grows. Here are the seeds down here. I don't know if you can see. These are the seeds inside the green kind of fruit-like structure. So I'm just going to leave it there to grow, because maybe it's going to be collected here and it's going to be used as vegetable, but it's very, very small. Maybe you're going to come here maybe later and collect the seeds when they have already grown, and then we're going to plant it somewhere else, so you can have a lot of black nightshade. You see, here we have this is a banana that was harvested, and they just left it there. You see, they are actually, there's another one here. These are pigweed. You can see they're still vegetables. Wow, guys, this is our very, very last banana that we are trying to weed. Oh, you can see over here we have an avocado which is coming up. Come close and show them this one. Let me show them. I don't know if it's clear. Guys, you see here we have like an avocado plant, and it doesn't have the bud, but you can see on this other side here it's coming up. You see that one here. It's actually coming up, this one. But the reason that we don't have this bud here is because I think less than 3 weeks ago we had a very, very heavy rain here in the village, and it broke. We had hailstones and it damaged. You can see even this one is broken, and it damaged even our crops in the farm, like this avocado over here. But the maize plant, they are taking shape now. You can see they're coming up. There you can see the effect of the hailstone still there, but they are flowering. Wow. Okay, now I want to do weeding here, and then we are going now to start applying the organic manure, that is the animal manure. So my cameraman will take control of the camera. And please, guys, in the comment box down below, can you rate my cameraman when it comes to recording? Please rate him out of 10. How many will you give him? For me, I'll give him 11 out of 10. He's the best cameraman. And he's my brother. He's behind the camera all the time. When I go for hiking, he's behind the camera. When I'm doing village videos, he's behind the camera, like these ones. But when I'm vlogging in Kisi town, in Keroka town, I'm alone. I'm alone, guys. Yeah. It's actually good to be flexible. You know, today you'll be with people, tomorrow you'll not be with people. So you also need to learn how to shoot your own videos. Even me, I also do. When I go for hiking and I'm alone, I have techniques for shooting my own videos. Yeah, I become my own cameraman when I'm filming, when I'm traveling alone. Yeah. So just trying to remove this. Okay. You see, the reason that we have kind of hole here is because these bananas were planted like few days ago, or few months ago. I can say that, not few days ago. A banana cannot take a week to be this big, and even one of them is like flowering. This one here, you have shown them. Guys, now I want to apply the organic manure on our bananas, because I've just completed weeding around them. You can see that's how they look like. Weeding has been done all around them. So I just want to apply a little manure all around. More weeding the other side. You can see. And it's a sunny day in the village. You can see It's close to 12 noon, and that is 11 a.m. sun. Wow. So I want to give it this one to my cameraman so that we can continue. You can have it. Let's continue now. So here is the manure. Come along. Show you how we do it. Just going to apply just a little drops. Yeah, come this other side. You can show them from here. This is how we do it, guys. Yeah, that is enough there. We continue also here. Guys, look at that. We are now done applying the organic manure on our banana plants, and these are our last banana plants that we are applying the organic manure. And here is our avocado. Hope it's going to grow very, very tall and give us more yield. Guys, that was it for today. That was our village morning routine. But now it's I don't think it's morning. It's around 12 noon. You can see the sun is right overhead. Wow, guys, we are done. We are finally done. Look at that. And this is basically cow dung. And yeah, probably the cow dung. We usually use them as organic manure. And I was using this bucket to apply the organic manure. You can see we have finished all over. We have finished all of them. They were just all over here, but we are now done. We are finished. Maybe the few that have remained here, we're just going to put them around the avocado plants, like that one. This one over here already it has some. We're also going to do weeding around them. Also here, we also have some beans. This is our village kitchen garden. I think I showed you earlier some lakwats over here. Some guavas, probably in our last videos. You guys must have seen that. But for one who is just subscribing right now, that is life here in the village. Look at that. These are guavas. That's how they look like. And that one is, this one here over here is lakwats, but they haven't like flowered. And here is our avocados. Wow.